Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1, or the multiplication of negative numbers is a difficult concept to understand. In fact, I had devised a toy to illustrate how minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1, or the signs in general, multiplication of signs in general can be manipulated. But that kind of a toy did not give you any kind of a proof. But this toy, which is just a scale as well as a toy car or a van, this gives you a kind of a proof why minus into minus is equal to plus. Here is a van. This van travels at 50 kilometers per hour. That means here is a van which has got a speed 50 kilometers per hour, and also this is the path from B to A and also A to B, and this is the origin, and we have here this is the plus sign as well as this is the minus sign. This is that point 0. So this side, this 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, these are the mileages in the positive side. Minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100. On this side, this is the negative side. So there are certain simple rules where this van is making a journey from 0 to A or A to 0, similarly 0 to B or B to 0. So we have to assume, or we have to take certain rules of this kind of a movement. So the first rule is, if the van is moving forward, this is the van, this is the front side of the van, this is the back side. So it's moving forward. This is the movement of forward. Take it as positive. If the van is moving backwards, take it as negative. That is the movement. And also the van is moving at 50 kilometers per hour. Hour is the time. If the time is after the event, take it as positive. If the same time is before, take it as negative. These are the only simple rules. So if the time is after, the time is before, that is positive and negative. If the movement is forward and movement is backward, that is positive and negative. Now let us see with these kind of rules, and also the van which is speeding at 50 kilometers per hour on this kind of a highway from B to A and A to B. What does it mean? Let us play with it. This van starts at 0. The van starts at 0. It is moving at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. After 2 hours, once it starts moving, where it will be? So the speed of the van, because it is on this side, that is, it is moving forward, that is positive. So it is moving at 50 kilometers per hour, and after 2 hours means it is positive. So where it will be? So after 2 hours, where it will be? It will be at plus 100. That means it is at A. So plus 50 into plus 2 is plus 100. The van has started somewhere and now it is here. Look at the face of the van. So it must have started from somewhere here, and it is now it is here. It has halted at 0. So the van's speed is 50 kilometers per hour. So definitely it was moving forward because it is on this side. So that means to say it has got the speed of positive 50, and now it is here. So 2 hours ago, where was it? So before means it is minus 2. So definitely it was at minus 100. So if it has started before at minus 100 to come here, now it is being at 0, it must have started at minus 100. That's why plus 50 into minus 2 is equal to minus 100. Take the third case. The van is moving backwards. From 0, the van is moving backwards. So backward movement is minus. So it is moving at 50 kilometers per hour. So its speed will be minus 50. So when it is moving backwards, after 2 hours, where it will be? So after 2 hours means positive. So it is plus 2. So after 2 hours, definitely it will be at minus 100. That's why it is minus 100. Now let us take the fourth case. So it has halted at 0. It is now at 0. So it has to be at 0. It has started from somewhere here. So it is moving backwards and it has halted at 0. Because it is now at 0, 2 hours before, where was it? Because it is moving backwards, it is negative. The speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Because it is now at 0, before 2 hours, where was it? So before 2 hours is minus 2, because before is negative. So it should have been definitely at plus 100 before 2 hours, moving backwards to be now at 0. That's why minus 50 into minus 2 is plus 100. There are various methods in which the negative product can be proved to be positive, double negative to be proved to be positive. So minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1 is a very contentious issue, because any kind of a proof will not be convincing at one go, because you have to take pen and paper and also imagine the things, write down and then only know. So this kind of a toy and also this scale will do perfectly that job.